Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Jingle Bell. I'm going to go in first and paint my Jingle Bell in the color Driftwood. It's a gray color that I've been using a little bit more often here lately. And again, all the colors I use are Dixie Belle chalk paint, and definitely my favorite. And I totally lied. I went in first with Hurricane Gray, and now I'm going in with Driftwood. So I'm just using the number 12 flat from the brush pack on our website. This is just a good base coating brush. It's large enough that you're not trying to do like 1,000 little strokes. You're able to get a lot more coverage. And now I'm going in with kudzu. It's one of my favorite greens. And then once that's base coated, I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline everything. This part really makes everything pop. It's one of the reasons I love to do it. It kind of finishes everything up. And then I will go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton to highlight, which softens and brightens everything as well. And for me, I just don't feel like a project is finished until I've outlined and highlighted. It also kind of covers up any mistakes you may have made before. If you got a little paint out of the lines, going in with that thick black marker really will help. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.